This seems like a dumb place to hide a test truck.
Volvo Truck.
It's totally crazy, man.
That's nice. Sleek.
Different.
New design for sure.
Probably electric bastard.
It might be a Freightliner, but it doesn't have the grill. I don't think it's a Volvo.
Might be a Kenworth.
It looks like a Freightliner to the way the end.
The nose. This design. You see the body line. It's more aerodynamic.
Tesla?
I'm not sure that this is the electric. I don't want to climb up on it and have them get all mad at me.
You know, Volvo. Look at the headlights.
Volvo?
This is a Volvo.
That's a Volvo truck.
Kind of seems like they're up to something, though.